He's like, yeah, let me eat, guys. Yeah, let the baby eat. Uh-oh. I think I've started something. They're calling from over there. Yep. Here's another one. That's the call. Come in, boys. Lunch is served. Oh, here we go. Over here. They're coming in hot. Oh, what do we got? The ravens? The ravens heard. They're like, what? Div's feeding the seagulls? Peace and love, y'all. Hope you have a great day. Get outside today. I'm gonna be hanging out with my birds. What do we name this one? Arnold, Jerry, Fisher, Franklin, and Turf. Done. And Larry. Hey, Arnold. Okay, love you. Bye.